Insurance agents, do you realize how valuable a relationship with someone like me, a public adjuster, is with somebody like you? I don't think you do, so that's today's topic. Let's get into it. Rob Kolb, your Toledo area public adjuster, making claims great again. So, why do people buy insurance from you? Okay, what's the primary reason they really end up buying insurance from you? It's because at the end of the day, they want to feel like if they have a loss, they can call you and you're going to make sure that they're taken care of, right? That's why people are doing business with you, but can you really guarantee that? Okay, even if you wrote them a really, really good policy, and by the way, I just wanted to inform you guys the amount of policies I've been seeing lately without law and ordinance coverage in them has been staggering. So, you agents out there that don't know what law and ordinance is or aren't including that or pushing that in their policy, it's so critical. I don't know how much it costs. It's probably pretty cheap. Get that in their policy. It needs to be in there. It's very, very important. But also, guys, at the end of the day, you don't know how your company that you work for is going to handle the claim. You might have some survey that says, "Oh, we have a satisfaction rate of 92%." Look at trends in this industry. More often than not, insurance companies now are using independent adjusters. They might be using a ladder assist company, a virtual adjuster, a managed repair program. And I'm not necessarily saying anything bad about any of those groups, but what is common with those groups is they tend to have a high workload. A lot of times they are less qualified, they have less discretion, they know less about policy information, they know less about construction. So, what that means is it's a higher chance that your customer who's relying on you to get a fair settlement is going to drop. It's continuing to drop, there's no question about it. So, it's a good relationship. So if a client does call you, because also guys, if the customer gets a poor deal and they're mad, they're going to do one of two things. They're either going to call you and they're going to yell at you, which would be a great time for you to call me and I can review that loss to see if it was handled correctly, or they're just going to simply drop you. And that's the other reason we have a really good relationship together is almost every single appointment I have, the people ask me, "Hey, when this is done, I'm done with this insurance company. I'm going somewhere else. Who should I call?" So I can push a lot of business to you guys. But I want to make sure you're going to A, give my customers good quality coverage with law and ordinance and replacement cost, absolutely. And B, there are some companies, some insurance companies clearly have better adjusters than others, meaning they have their staff adjusters, their in-house adjusters. They don't use as many independents. Now, when we have a catastrophe or something, obviously insurance companies need to bring in whoever they can bring in. But some of you guys do have higher standards for the adjusters than not. So guys, it's a really, really, really great relationship that we can develop. Give me a call. I'd love to sit down with you guys and really, really describe what I do. Because once again, even you guys, do you really understand what public insurance adjusters do? Other than we're the enemy, which we're not? No, we're a team. We work together. So most people, you guys and the public in general, most people don't really understand what a public adjuster is. So call me. I'd love to have a meeting with you guys and sit down and go over how we can work together. Rob Kolb, your Toledo area public adjuster, making claims great again. Give me the thumbs up on this video and please subscribe. So if you guys want to learn more about me, I got a ton of YouTube videos. I think I'm up to like 100 videos, something close to that. So start watching some because they're very informative. You guys have a great one. I'm going to go walk the dog.